Oh, hi! Didn't see you there.
I'm Caroline.
I'm Anthony.
I'm Ray.
And I'm Haley. We're your Fall 2019 TV1 Lab Assistants.
And we're creating this video to guide you through the process of booking equipment for your production classes within the RTF department.
To book gear, you first need to access the booking system called Connect2.
Using your Rowan credentials, you can sign in to connect2.rowan.edu.
Let's take a look at some good and bad examples of booking equipment.
Hi, how can I help you today?
Hello. I was wondering if I can get gear for a project.
Did you make a booking on Connect2?
No, I was gonna ask if you can do it for me.
What you just saw is an incorrect way to get gear. You have to make your booking prior to coming into the equipment room. The equipment room staff cannot make a booking for you. When you are ready to pick up your gear, head over to room 165 and make sure you have your Rowan ID. While anyone can drop off the equipment, the person who made the booking needs to be there to check the gear out. Once this is complete, you're all set for your shoot. And just to confirm, you'll be bringing it back Monday morning at 9:30, right?
Yes, I will.
All right.
All right, thank you.
Thanks for coming to the equipment room.
Thank you so much.
This interaction was the correct way to check out gear from the equipment room. Once you navigate to Connect2, you'll want to sign in. This is just your Rowan username and password. Once you're signed in, hit the blue button that says Book Equipment. This will bring up a page of all the equipment you're able to check out. You can also narrow your search by selecting what class the booking is for, so you can see all the equipment you have access to for that course. Once you have the equipment list up, you are ready to select what you want to check out. You can add items you have access to your basket. If items are grayed out, this means you do not have access to the equipment. When you select an item, you'll notice that there is a bunch of useful information, and if you scroll down, there are even items that are frequently booked with it. Make sure you get all of the items essential to your shoot, like batteries or a tripod. When you've got everything you need, you can go back up to the top of the screen and hit Create Booking. You will select when you want to check it out and when you will check it back in. Please note that it is important that you pick up and return your booked equipment at the time you indicated. Picking up on time allows the RTF equipment room staff to plan for your arrival. Returning your equipment on time is even more important as gear is limited and other students might have it booked soon after you. Failure to return equipment on time may result in penalties such as account suspension or a reduction in your grade for the course. You'll also need to put in your mobile phone number, for what class you'll be using the gear for, what project this will be for, and any additional notes you need to add. After that, you'll need to read and agree to the terms and conditions, and then verify that all the information you've provided is correct, and that you'll have all that you need for your great shoot. Once that's done, you've completed your booking. You will receive a confirmation email, and your equipment will be available for you to pick up in the equipment room in Bozarth Hall.
Oh, hey! What are you still doing here? Go book your equipment with Connect2. Seriously, get out of here. Hurry up. I know your projects are late. Hurry up, you can do it. Book your equipment with Connect2.
That was really great, man.
Thanks.
That was amazing.
I
Yeah,
just thought
I'm
I should
impressed,
add
actually.
to the end of it.
Yeah.